Hello children, today we are going to make this shape. This we can make using repeat command. Exactly, I have done this here, but exactly we are going to make this shape. Last time we have done circle using repeat command. Repeat 360 FD1 RT1. In last video I have explained this, how to make circle and how to make one circle pattern like this using repeat command. Fine. Now today we are going to make this type of pattern using repeat command and using square. So first we'll learn how to make square. Fine. I'm considering this as 70, length and width as 70. So to make this square, the step is like this. To move in the same direction, FD 70. Okay. Now a turtle is here, and to take a turn, RT 90. Fine. Again the same step to move in the same direction, FD 70, RT 90. Again to move in the same direction, FD 70, and to take a turn, RT 90. Again to move in the same direction, FD 70, and to take a turn, RT 90. So instead of writing the same step again, we can use repeat command. Fine. Repeat. Now how many times we want to repeat? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. Now which step? Square bracket. And which step? Same step. FD 70, RT 90. Now by writing the single step we can make square. Fine. We can make square. But exactly what we want to make? We want to make this type of pattern. So after writing the step, we have to give the command to the turtle to rotate, to take a turn in the right direction, or you can take in the left direction also. Right now our turtle is here. I am giving command to take a turn in the right direction by 30 degree. You can select, you can write 30, 20, 40 also. I am writing RT 30, means I am giving command to the turtle to take a turn in the right direction by 30 degree. Now my turtle is here. Fine. Now again I will write the same step. Repeat 4, FD 70, RT 90. Fine. So after writing this, output will be like this. Fine. Again I will give the command RT 30, means again I am giving command to the turtle to take a turn in the right direction. Again I will write the command. Repeat 4, FD 70, RT 90. That means like this. Again I will write RT 30 to give command to the turtle to move in the right direction, and the same command. Repeat 4, FD 70, RT 90. Fine. So like this we can make this type of pattern. Fine. So now I'll show here, this is the step and we have to write again. Here I explain. Now I'll show how to make this on Turtle Academy. Fine. Now so I'm writing all the commands. I'm having commands in front of me, so I'll write on Turtle Academy. For online practice you have to open any browser. I'm opening the Chrome browser, and here you have to type MS Logo Online Editor. When you type that, you can see all the sites for online practice: online logo interpreter, Turtle Academy, and free online turtle. Last time also we have done practice on Turtle Academy, so I'm opening the same one, Turtle Academy. From here you have to click on playground option. Here you can see a simple platform for logo practice, and here the shape of turtle is turtle only, and this is command bar. I'm writing the command here to make square. REPEAT, repeat 4, square bracket, FD 70, RT 90, and close the square bracket. Here I want to copy this because I want to write this command again. Now enter. Here you can see as output we received one square. Now I want to give command to the turtle to move in the right direction by 30 degree, RT 30. Here you can see turtle moved, taken turn by 30 degree. Now the same command, repeat 4, FD 70 RT 90, enter. Then RT 30, again the same command. Again I am giving command to move in this to take a turn by 30° in the right direction, and the same command I am pasting command only. RT 30, enter, then paste, repeat for FD 70 RT 90, RT 30, then the same command, again RT 30, enter, and the same command I am pasting. This we can do with the help of nested repeat, but we'll learn next time. Instead of writing the this step also again we can write one step only, repeat under repeat. This right now I am writing simple repeat, RT 30, RT 30, and again same command, RT 30, and again RT 30 to make this shape complete. Fine. So here you can see I have done the pattern, so you can also do at home. And thank you so much children. Be safe and happy. Thank you.